create account in systeme.io. So for that we have to visit the site systeme.io. Once you go to this particular site, here you'll be having, this is free actually, so there will be different plans, but you have to choose the free version of it. Okay, and what you can do here, email ID, and once you put your email ID and click here, get my free account. Okay, so once you click it, it will be sending one confirmation email to your email ID. So what you need to do, you have to go to the email ID. As you can see here, I got one email. Okay, so this is for the confirmation from the systeme.io. So as you can see here, this is my email ID, which is iamfoodie1 gmail.com. So let me click the confirmation one. Now it is asking me to create the password. Okay, so you can give your password as per your requirement. So let me give my password. And here you have to do I am not robot and say password. So here is a complete dashboard for you. Create your funnel, or if you want to create your blog or website, simply you have to click the funnels. Once you click it, you will be having a button here called create. Just click on it, and here it will be asking you for which type of funnel you want to create. Is it a built for audience, selling, and custom? So definitely here in our case it is custom. So from scratch we'll be building our website or funnel, and the currency what you can choose is INR, Indian rupee. Okay, and what you can do, we can save it. Now the name, what is the funnel name you want to give? Okay, so accordingly the I am here I'm getting the domain, funnel domain, which is iamfoodie1.systeme.io. So as per your requirement, as per your business, you can give. So this is demo, right? This is a demo account, so I am giving a demo account and save. So this is my demo account. What you can do here, I have to click it, and here I can add step, and here you can view funnel also. So this is the oh, congratulations man. Now you have created your funnel, but it is nothing is there. We have to do all the customization here. So add step. So here you have to create a sales page. So this is the sales page, and you have to choose sales page. Okay, and save. Whenever you visit any site, for example you want to sell some of the digital product in your site, or some of the uh, documents, or some maybe some items, some e-commerce site you have, so that should be a landing page, right? So here in front of you I have some landing page over here. You can choose whatever you like, and according to that you can customize it. Okay, so this is the first page we have created, the sales page, and here we need to choose one particular customization template, like custom template, so that we can customize it. Okay, so let me check this one. Let me check and let you know the any best I have here. Okay, for example we'll be looking into this one. Okay, so let me check this one, view template. Okay, so according to this you can see here, right, we have the home button, about for contact details, and we have the landing page over here, and we have the details over here. We can give the YouTube link as well. Okay, we can give the YouTube link as well for our requirement, and some details over here, how what services we provide, and the button claim offer now, you can say buy now or something like that. Okay, so this is the thing. Then how you can design it? Okay, So let me go to my account where I did for my course. Okay, let me tell you that. Let me select this one. Okay, so once you select, you will be having the URL path over here, and you will be having a edit page button over here. So you have to click the edit page. Now, as you can see here, our custom template is available here, but we have to change everything here. Like as per your requirement, for example, you want to sell some of the digital product, then you have to name accordingly. And claim offer now, you can say like buy for 199 rupees for our Indian currency I'm telling, or for dollar buy for $99, kind of that. Okay, similarly, what you can do is you can replace this particular image over here, like that is option. Okay, from the beginning let me start. So for example, you want to change the title, the header title over here, but simply you need to double click it, delete or backspace, completely remove it. Okay, uh, for example, this is a reels bundle. Okay, okay, thousands of for example, spiritual reels bundle. Okay, now here what you can do, claim offer now. Now what you can do, buy for mega deal 199 only. Simply adjust it. Sorry, thousands of spiritual reels bundle, mega deal 199 rupees. This thing and the button over here accordingly. You can, what you can do, you can change all the thing, looking into some others people's site or by own design also. Okay, and you can take references from Google Ad Library that I'll cover in next video. If you want, please comment it down how we can properly create a bundle. I will, like, sorry, properly create a funnel or website. I will show you completely, but this is just a demo purpose. Okay, so for example, I another gift for you now. So for example, you are creating a website, for example reels bundle. So what you need to write in description. So what you can do, you can just copy and go to ChatGPT. Just log in it, you guys know how to do it. So here what you can put, spiritual reels bundle description. Okay, so if you put this, asked ChatGPT to create a note, business selling note, using like the title is thousand spiritual reels bundle for Instagram. Please write a business selling note. So it wrote kind of thousands, more than 1,000 word, maybe 500 word. So I told ChatGPT that create in 200 words. So it is easy. So what you can do, just copy this. Just is a basic thing. Okay, you have to do some analysis. Don't try this one. This is nothing. Just beginning. Okay, and that's it. What you can do here, we can decrease the font size. Okay, we can decrease the font size over here, and line height also here. See, exciting, right? So this is nothing, just you have to ask ChatGPT or look into some like some others people's site, how is it, and look into that and do accordingly. You can copy paste directly from there itself. Okay, once it is done, once you are done with the site, editing your site, now what do I need to do? You have to do save changes. Great, right? Once you do save changes, just click this icon. Now as you can see here, this view model, don't use this URL. This is a view mode, don't use this URL. Okay, this is just a reference purpose they are telling. Okay, so now as you can see here, all things are updated. Means these three part we updated, right? You can change the image, you can change this data, these images, everything you can change. You can directly having a free site. Now what you can do, next thing is custom domain. It means, for example, your domain is my full stack guide, for example. So that domain you purchased from the GoDaddy. So if you want that video, please comment it down. I will be definitely creating a video how to create domain, okay, and how to add custom domain in our system.io. Okay, so thank you guys. This is a simple thing how you can edit now. If I come over here and this is the page, okay, so that's it, and exit. You can directly exit from here and come to the funnel list. So this is our sales page, and similarly you can edit it and you will be going to that page. So that is nothing to worry about. And if any doubt and anything, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill that. And if any type of video you need regarding the system.io, for example, the custom domain, definitely that is a good that will be a good video, because maybe the people who know how to add the custom domain, and definitely sometimes some redirection issue and some those things also happening. If you need that, definitely I'll try to create a good video amount like 10 to 15 minutes video to clear all the things how to add a custom domain. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more update. So here, if you want to create your own page, what you can do, you can select these four columns, and here you can add individual records over here. And similarly, for example, if you want a button, so you can drag and drop the button. So you'll be having, and you can change uh, the alignment, okay. And if you want full width, you can give full width so that it will be full width, and half width, only width, so it will take in this one. So and another thing, so this is pretty good thing. So from the top, for example, from here you need it down or something like that, so you can customize this using the top and bottom. For example, bottom you need some gap, so you can do like that. And okay, next thing is okay, so example, if you want to change the background color, you can change it from here. You can give some different background color over here as per your requirement. And so next is the title. Okay, so here the button text you can change uh, by for only 199. Okay, oh sorry, use amount. 199 rupees. So similarly, like this you have to do. And for example, you want to change the background color of this, what you can do, simply click this, go to the background color, and you can change this color. Okay, so this is nothing, it's just do some practice. You'll be definitely having good experience after, if you try for some couple of days and one couple of hours also, you can get mastery, no issue in that. And you can create, I hope you create a very good site for your business. Thank you.